Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send Shiba Inu from Binance to Revolut in 2025. If you're looking to move your SHIB tokens seamlessly, you're in the right place. This process has gotten even smoother with the latest updates, but always remember to double-check for any platform changes. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Binance and Revolut. Start by logging into your Binance account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets section and select Spot Wallet or Fiat and Spot to find your Shiba Inu (SHIB) balance. It's super important to verify that you have enough SHIB to cover any withdrawal fees. Those can add up. Next, click on Withdraw next to your SHIB holdings. You'll need to enter the recipient address. Now, here's a key point for 2025. Revolut has integrated better with crypto wallets, so you can use your Revolut app to generate a SHIB-compatible wallet address. Open your Revolut app, go to the crypto section, and tap on Receive for SHIB. Copy that address and paste it back into Binance. Before you confirm, double-check the network. SHIB typically uses Ethereum's network, so select ERC20. Enter the amount you want to send, review the fees, and hit Withdraw. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, so keep an eye on that. Once the transaction is processing, it might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Head back to Revolut and refresh your crypto balance. You should see your SHIB tokens appear soon. Pro tip: in 2025, Revolut's enhanced security features mean you might need to verify the transfer via app notification, so stay alert. And just like that, you've successfully transferred your Shiba Inu. Remember, crypto is volatile, so always stay informed and never transfer more than you're comfortable with. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more guides. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.